What if you could hold all the heat in the universe, every star, every supernova, every atom's energy in the palm of your hand? Would you wield godlike power or trigger a cosmic disaster that ends everything? Welcome to a mind-bending ride to the edge of reality. Buckle up, this is gonna blow your mind. The universe is a furnace. It's got 10 to the 86 particles, each buzzing with thermal energy. The sun's core burns at 15 million degrees Celsius, but that's nothing compared to the Planck temperature, 1.4 times 10 to the 32 Kelvin, where physics starts to melt. Yeah, that's hotter than your spiciest hot sauce. But what if we squeezed all this heat into one tiny point? Things are about to get wild, stay with me. Imagine every star melting like wax, their heat streaming into a single point. The energy density skyrockets, heat becomes mass warps gravity, and space starts to crack. Ever overpack a bag till it rips? This is that, but for the universe. So what happens when we push it further? Could this spark something catastrophic? Here's the twist. This ultra-dense heat could collapse into a black hole, but not just any black hole. It might birth a new universe like some theories say ours began. Yep, we might accidentally become cosmic parents. But what happens to our universe if we do this? Creation. Or destruction. At this heat, physics breaks. Quantum mechanics? Done. General relativity? Toast. We're in a realm where reality's rules don't apply. Imagine your phone's GPS just giving up. That's physics right now. Could this chaos reveal a new law of nature? What's hiding beyond our understanding? We've flirted with this idea. The Large Hadron Collider tests mini black holes, but this is trillions of times bigger. It's not pure sci-fi, it's science on the edge. No, we're not building a doomsday device. Yet. But what if we could harness this power? Infinite energy. Or infinite danger. Dream big. Controlling this heat could mean infinite energy. Power for entire worlds. But one wrong move, and we rip space-time apart. Anyone else suddenly want to stick to solar panels? So is this worth the risk? Let's find out what it all means. So what if all the universe's heat converged? Creation of a new universe or annihilation of ours? This isn't just a what if, it's a peek at reality's breaking point. Bet you didn't expect to question existence today, huh?